Hi everyone, this is Professor Benjamin, and in this video I am going to show you how to find the total and the percentage for our data sheet, for our little data Excel sheet that we are trying to create. If you are not sure of how to find the number, you want to go back and watch a video that can be found in the Excel spreadsheet titled Technology and Criminal Justice Data Sets. So you want to go back and watch that to be able to find these numbers for us, okay? So right now we're going to try and find the total number that we're going to use in order to find the percentage. So the overall total, and then what we do is we take this number, we divide it by this number, and then we find our percentage. So that's the percentage of those individuals from the data set that have been killed using police force, okay? So here we are, we're going to go back to our data set, and this, to find the total, it's so simple. All you do is, here you are at the top, whoops, I've already scrolled down. So here you are at the top of your data set, you scroll all the way to the bottom of your data set. It's very, very simple. All the way to the bottom of your data set, and right here it says 634. So there are 634 what appears to be entries. The issue is this: we have 634, but we need to subtract 1. And the reason we need to subtract 1 is because right here, row 1 is actually title information. So it's actually not content from there. It's just really telling us the labels of the different columns that we have within our database. So we need to subtract 1. So we have 634 entries, so we scroll all the way down, and we need to subtract 1, which gives us 633. So here we come over here and we say 633, and guess what? We have 633 total for each one of these because it's all the same, right? It's all the same. So here we go, 633. And now we need to find the percentage. So this is very simple. We're actually going to learn how to type in a simple function in Excel or formula right up here. So to find the percentage, I hit equal, okay, equals, and I say 303, and then I hit the divide sign by 633, and I hit enter. And right here, you may come up with a number, meaning you may come up with 0.48 blah 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 blah. The way I got percentage was I then clicked on the box and I hit right up here on the home page, I hit percentage here and it turned it for me. So let's try this one. So right now I'm going to say equals 156 divided by 633, and I hit enter and it gave me 25%. Let's do one more together and then I'm going to let you do the rest. So here we say 100. Oops, I forgot my equals. You need to make sure you say equals. So equals 100 divided by 633, and I hit enter. And notice I came up with the actual number here instead of the percentage in percentage format. So what I do is I click on the cell. Notice it was here. So I want to go back here and I want to go to my home page here. And I want to go right over here, and instead of I want to hit percentage. So I want it in percent style. So notice it rounds up. And now this could be a bit of an issue if we are in, let's say where I may ask you, what is the difference? And maybe both of them show 3%. So this could be an issue. So in order to mitigate that issue, you want to go back and right click. You're going to right click on the box and we're going to hit format cell. So we're going to right click and hit format because I want to show one decimal place after the whole number. Notice here I click on percentage and it says decimal places, so it's not showing any decimal places. I want to show 1, so I click here and I say 1. I click up and I say okay. And notice instead of it saying rounding up, it shows me 1 decimal place, because this could make the difference. If both of these show up as 16%, it may make a huge difference as to what it's actually telling me about the data. Maybe there is one that has one race that has a very small percentage higher of a murder rate than another racial ethnicity group. So this is how you do percentage. So I want you to take time. I want you to do the last 3 and submit that data, and I'll mark you whether you're right or not. Actually, last 4. But this one's a little bit easier. So don't forget, we go up here, we say equals, we do our little 10 divided by 633, we hit enter, we get our result, we have to hit the percentage button, but then we also have to reformat the cell to make sure that we have more than just whole numbers. We want 1 decimal place. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.